Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to withdraw money on Lollipop app. Alright, so it's very easy, so let's get started. First step you have to take is of course open the app and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you're all set to withdraw your money. So what you have to do now is to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you will land on your profile. So what you have to do next is look around here and you find this T points option right here. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on that, here you're going to see your points that you've earned on the app, right, and the money equivalent of it. Okay, but right now I have 0 points in my balance, but I'll show you the steps it will take you to withdraw your money. So once you land here, click on this cash out option, and then you are going to find this withdraw button at the bottom area of your screen. All right, but before we click on that, if you look around here, you are going to see the points you need to acquire to earn this money you're seeing right here. All this money you have to earn a specific point, which is this one right here, this one right here. So that's it guys. So once you earn those points, you'll be able to earn money. Right, so click on the withdraw button at the bottom area of your screen and then select your currency type and your payment method. Once you select that, you go ahead and click on withdraw at the bottom area of your screen. Right, so that's it. Right, so once you're able to follow that step, you'll be able to withdraw your money on Lollipop live streaming app. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video.